Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about a concept called as value model, which actually helped me grow my business very drastically when I started implementing this in your business, and why it is important to have this value model in your business. Everything is I'll cover in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content around affiliate, how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So talking about value model, like it's not something like you drive traffic to one of your affiliate offers or directly to your service, and just not like e-commerce where you run up traffic to one of the particular product. So this is value model is something like building a business, creating that psychological effect in your audience by basically. So if you consider like if you're just starting out, like you don't know anything, like if you bought a course and somebody told you to run Facebook ads, something like this, and you started a campaign, and many people will see that like they don't see the results that actually others are seeing, and you may feel like you're just running around and chasing customers all the time, and it doesn't create that effect. But with a value model, what happens, I know it's gonna take some time, because value model is something like, let's say you choose a product or you have a product or service, you need to create content around that topic. It could be anywhere, on a blog post or a YouTube, or you're on your Instagram. So you need to start producing content around that topic. I mean, once you start creating so much content for free, people actually the audience start gathering around you, and actually it becomes easy, and people will start messaging you or start emailing you that how do I buy your product or service. That kind of effect this value model has. And it could be for example, it can be, you may think like it can be applied to only affiliate marketing or your coaching program or any other program. It is not like that. Like it can be applied to any of the business industries. For example, if you are in a dog niche or a gardening niche, or maybe if you are in real estate or any other type of niche, like for example, I'll just take example of dogs here. Like if you want to what you can do is just create an Instagram account and start producing content. Like it could be entertainment purpose, or it could be how to train your dogs. Once you start creating content, like big businesses will start contacting you, like to partner with you, or maybe they want to have a shootout. Like there are a lot of things will happen once you have that content. Even if you see like any big anybody who is with a big personal brand or any type of brand, if you go to their page, like you will see massive amount of value they have created, and they have created that content base. And once that content is ready, once that traffic starts sending, like they will have so much relationship with that person, no matter whatever they buy, like they are gonna buy. And creating value doesn't mean that you just go ahead and download somebody's videos, or like just upload it for the sake of uploading. You don't want to upload that shitty videos. Maybe you need to provide something for free, and don't expect anything in return. It could be like, I'm recording this video right now, maybe I will tell go to this link to check your free training or anything, but actually I'm not expecting anything in return. It's like once you start producing content in order to help your audience, actually you will see massive amount of result in your business. It could be affiliate marketing, or it could be in your own products or services. So this concept is like you need to create that. For example, I'll take another example, like any tourism. I mean, it could be applied to any other business models as well. Let's say like anybody want to travel to India, like they need to, I mean, everybody can't just directly come. Like you need to create that hook, and you need to create that story, and you need to provide something like in order to come. And that's how the tourism goes here. And this model can be applied anywhere. And once you start implementing this, you will see massive results. I know it may not be very easy, and it may not be, you may not easily see results as well instantly, but actually once you start stacking up that content base, you will actually see massive results. This was very short video I just wanted to shoot. I hope you got value from this video, guys, and start producing content on day one. If you're just starting out, or if you haven't created content yet, start doing it from today. And if you need any help with your online business, I have a link in the description. This is a free course on this value model, like how this works and how to build your affiliate marketing business. This course is absolutely free. This is my mentor Sebastian Gomez, and please go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.